Hi, we're here from Things That Fold with our unboxing video of the 174 Hudson, the Stack Foldable Helmet. Interestingly, you can see it comes in kind of a sleek box. You see the map of Manhattan and the minimalist design, which I think gives you a bit of a sense of its target audience. We have chosen the black-gray color in a size medium. The cool thing about this helmet is it gives you a size range so you can measure your head before you buy it, and it does say that it is adjustable. One thing you notice is it says it's lightweight, the medium it being 340 grams, and you feel it when you pick up this box. Very light, and you can tell kind of by the size of my hand it's not a large box. So let's open up and see what's inside, right? Okay, so the helmet comes folded, of course, and we'll remove the plastic. The first thing that I think you'll note here, it's very sleek, futuristic looking, and it seems to be folded into itself. The material, it feels almost plasticky because it's so light, yet it feels sturdy, like it's a high quality. Let's flip it over, see what we have here. If you sort out the straps. Okay, let's pop it open and see how it goes. Ooh, it needs a good push. And here you go. So if you see the side profile of the helmet, it has this interesting cut through over here. And there's a little bit of foam that came out too. The back, it says that it's by Closca, and that's, you see the tiered design here. The buckle, interestingly, is a clip. A lot of the newer helmets these days have magnets, but I know some people prefer clips, so that's your preference. Let's try folding it back down again. Okay, actually, another idea. I want to fold it back down without having a hard surface to rest it on and see how that works. So, easy. It really pops down easy. You do need a touch of force to open it, which I think is a good thing. It probably makes it more secure. Okay, so we will be back with a video of the actual performance of the helmet, and in the meantime, feel free to hit us up with your opinions and your thoughts on our unboxing video.